welcome back to the channel. Today is January 17, 2024 and as you can probably tell, it's snowstorm central out here. Despite the weather warning, I completely missed it. Like others say, I headed out to the office. My tram got stuck somewhere in the middle. So now I am trekking my way to work on foot. The current temperature is bone chilling, minus 14 degrees Celsius, and with the wind chill, it feels like a brutal minus 19 degrees Celsius. Just take a look at insane amount of snow, and it's piled up around here. It's pretty wild. And check out this river, or at least I think it's river. Honestly, it's hard to distinguish between the river and the road. These boats scattered around gives us a clue. It's still pretty risky around here. We are in the Brunsparken area. This is the river, and yeah, it's a snowy wonderland everywhere you look. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you are dealing with similar weather, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos.